Alright family, welcome back to the channel. Crown Perception. How you guys doing? I know it's been a little while and here back with y'all again. Alright, okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It helps out a lot for the algorithm of the channel, and also when you hit that notification bell, you also get notified when all the new videos come through. Okay, so it helps me out a lot. All right, so just do that for me. Hit that thumbs button, share, subscribe, share, like, and do all the good things. All right. So basically, this video today is basically a follow-up. I'll say it's probably like the second part of my embroidery. My embroidery business, or my embroidery machine that I have bought, which is the brother SE625. All right. Hang on for a second, y'all. I'm sorry about that. I'm just trying to fix this camera. Okay, yeah, so my SE625 I bought, and man, family, when I tell you, man, whew, I finally got it. Finally got it down where I can embroider, all right, and a lot of mistakes. Like, I mean, as you guys can see, I think the first part of the video was about like maybe a couple weeks, not even a couple weeks ago, like almost a month ago, because I've had this machine for a little bit and it's just been a lot, man. So I advise y'all, you know what I'm saying, but when y'all do get your embroidery machine, your SE600, your SE625, or your PE800, or etc. Make sure y'all please educate yourself, read the instructions, look at YouTube videos, which is very helpful, of other people that actually have this product or this machine, and it'll help you out, because I'm telling y'all, man, you don't know what you don't know. All right, and like I said, I'm just got in this business, and it's easy, but it's not easy, okay? Because you just, it's a lot to embroidery business, and just little things, okay? But anyways, with no further ado, let's this is the second part of the video, basically just to demonstrate to y'all how this embroidery thing goes, and yeah. All right, so here we go. So all right, as y'all know, this is let me show y'all this is the SE625. All right, SE625. All right, I got my design right here, which is just a design that's inside, that comes with the embroidery machine. Alright, as y'all can see, I already did some designs already, and I'm gonna have to see, but came out looking good. Alright, and so I'm gonna do another design for y'all, okay? But before I do all of that, y'all, I just wanted to real quick, this is really quick, alright? You guys gotta know what's the difference between sewing thread, sewing thread, and let me show y'all. Hang on a second. Sewing thread and embroidery thread. Alright? There's a big difference from sewing thread and embroidery thread, alright? And so this is where I was going wrong at, because you know, I got into this and then I'm sitting here, I'm like, yo, why is this not working? Like every time, you know me, I would put the sewing thread inside of the you know, I would thread it up. I would thread it up, and for some reason, you know, every time I would, you know, do a design, it would it just was not working. It was not working. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? I threaded everything right, and I just didn't know. And so what I found out was that there's a difference between embroidery thread and sewing thread. Alright, this is a good product. This is the finished product of two of these designs. When I figured it out, I'm like, oh my goodness, it was the thread all this time that where I was messing up at. And this thing had me like, I was just mad. After a while, I'm like, yo, why is this like this? Like, you know, you will get mad at the machine, but just like I said, man, just research. You know, when you get in this business, research, because man, I'm telling you, it's gonna cost you a little bit of money to get in this business. Even though this machine only cost me about $350, close to $400. All right. There's still a lot that you gotta buy, all right? So you gotta educate yourself on this if you are trying to get in this. You gotta make sure you guys buy threads, fabrics. You gotta make sure y'all buy, what's it called? This is stabilizers, all right? Yeah, definitely need this. And bobbins, you know, threads. These are all embroidery threads right here. I can see these are all embroidery threads. Okay. Alright, so you know, just a quick gem for y'all, alright, man. It's not easy, alright? It's not easy. Even though when it seems like it's easy, even though the machine is actually doing the work, it's not easy, okay? So just letting y'all know that, okay? But anyways, let's get into this video, alright? Let's get into this design right here, and then I'll show y'all design works. Everything's already threaded, and yeah, we're gonna go from there, okay? Hang on for a second, let me just so y'all can see a little better. All right, so with this design right here, it's actually it's one color, but I'm not gonna use the black. All right, I'm gonna use actually white, because I actually don't have no black embroidery thread. All right, so here we go. I'm telling y'all, man, like man. Just don't give up, you know what I'm saying? Don't give up. Just keep researching, you know what I'm saying? If these things happen to y'all, keep researching. Make sure y'all set your tension also to the right tension. And you gotta make sure y'all have the right needle, because you know, for every fabric, it's not the same needle that you're gonna use for every fabric. All right. For every fabric, it might be a different tension. You know, you might have to put it down. You might have to put it up. So you gotta research, man, when you in this business, man. You know what I mean? And of course, it's gonna be trials and error. You know what I mean? You can't escape that. You know what I mean? That's one of the best things, to make a mistake and, you know, to come back and correct the mistake, and it's just a good feeling. And even me, like the fact that, you know, it took me about, like, how long? And I'm sitting here watching a lot of YouTube videos, and, you know, in the beginning I'm like, what am I doing wrong? And then finally I started to see, like, the thread would keep breaking and breaking. I'm like, why is it, you know, thread keep breaking on the machine? And, you know, I went on YouTube and I just said, you know what, what's the difference between sewing thread and embroidery thread? And there's a big difference. Okay? As y'all can see, our clean is coming out. Alright, SE625, which is, you know, still the same thing as the SE600. I think the difference is here, you just get a little bit more. They give you a CD with designs. You know what I'm saying? But the design is kind of coming out good so far. Yeah. Embroidery, thread. You see how much stronger it is before. We have to keep these threads right here. I would have to keep threading the upper thread, and just was not understanding what's going on. Figure it out. Make sure y'all get embroidery thread, alright? This brand right here is actually PART2. Just in case you guys. That is PART2. That is one of the brands, okay? Alright, Crown Perception Nation. Our product, our design is done. Let me cut this. Alright. And let me show y'all real quick. Okay. See? Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? You see? This is the right way, right, to do it, right? And when you flip it in the back, yeah, see it, right? This is how you know you've done a good embroidery job right here. Just looking at the back, it'll tell you the details in the back. It'll tell you a lot. Alright. Okay, so let's show y'all, man. I mean, it's easy, but then again, it's not easy. Alright. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Alright, real quick video for y'all, and just, you know, just kind of educate y'all. You know what I mean? I know some of y'all probably here with the machine. It's just frustrating, y'all. Y'all waking up, looking at the machine, walking by it, like, you know, just like, what the hell, because you don't know what to do and you get stuck. But it's okay. It's all right. That's part of the process. That's just part of the process of anything. I mean, anything new. You don't know what you don't know, and you're gonna make mistakes. And you know, you gotta learn how to live in the realm of, you know, failure and mistakes. Because I think that's what a lot of people don't realize of what successful people know, is that successful people love failure. They understand the realm of failure. They understand that without failure, there's no success. So you gotta fail, you gotta make mistakes, you gotta, you know what I mean, you don't know what you don't know, you know what I mean, and that's what it is. So again, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and also for the algorithm of the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, and if you have guys, any of you guys have a you know, a embroidery machine, you know, comment down below and, you know, give us your experience with it, and just, you know, give us some you know, educate everyone else on the comments, and just let them know, you know what I mean, just anything you can help them out with, you know, correct their mistakes and all that. All right, anyway, so yeah, peace out. I will see y'all in the next one. All right, one.